chest, breathing slow, but I'm not late to rest. My trembling hands are still holding the line, even when hope falls flat and declines. These scars don't fade, they sharpen the blade. I rise from the wreckage I've made. My lungs are burning, but I hold the light. Every heartbeat counting down the time. Pressure rising, no escape this time. I break, but I won't resign. I rise under pressure, I fracture to grow. I pull through the chaos with nowhere to go. The harder it hits me, the sharper I roar. I cover the path I was crack, but I'm holding the core. I rise under pressure once more. I rise under pressure once more. I lost my voice in the noise and despair, drowned in the static of cold heavy air. Now every echo cuts sharp like a knife.